Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. Now let's scroll down again to localize special app access, and in this list we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. All you have to do is to tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something, and of course it works the same with all other apps. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Be careful simply. You can also always remove the previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.